welcome to the 4th card in April's card class, and for this card we are going to be using a lovely little background technique that I like with strips of DSP, and we're going to create some sort of grapefruit or blood orange looking images. So you have all of your pieces in your measurement guide, and starting with our card base, give it a nice little crease, and then you have a large piece of white card that you're going to stick straight down. Okay. And this is your sort of background piece, and it just thickens your card a little bit. And then you should have 6 strips of the designer series paper. Now I've chosen this pink and red dotty design, but with any of these cards, if you wanted to change the papers, obviously feel free, they're your cards. And we're going to add our strips. I'm going to add one on the left, followed by one on the right. Okay. And then we're going to just carry on until they meet in the middle. I'm not leaving much of a gap at all between mine, probably only 2, maybe 3 millimeters. I love this technique for just using up scrap pieces of DSP. We've all got it, we all hoard it. And I've only cut myself 5 pieces, which is really handy. So I now need to cut a 6th piece. It's a good job my DSP is to hand. Here. Oh no, I didn't. I did cut 6. It was hiding. Here we go. Naughty piece of DSP. That's it. Okay. Perfect. Now, we've done that bit. The next piece of our card, oh excuse me, we've got this lovely stitched rectangle, and we're going to add our ribbon to it before we stick it down. So like we just did on the previous card, cut yourself a nice amount and secure it with your tear tape. And this is going to go just towards the bottom of the card, about there. So that's the back, and that's the front. Then you can stick that straight down onto your card from nice. Once that's stuck and in place, tie yourself a little bow. There we go, more fingers and thumbs. Nice. Okay, so now we've done that. Inside the card you've got a piece of the designer series paper to match the outside, and a piece of white. Now sadly I've forgotten to cut the piece of white, so I'll do that shortly. I'll do that next once I've done other bits. And then we've got have a zesty birthday to stamp here. Have a zesty birthday. Perfect. So let's pop that to one side. Now, while I've got that there, I'm just going to cut my piece of white card. So this needs to measure, let's go 8.5. This measurement may be different to what you've got here. I'm just using what I've got on my desk, so just ignore this piece of card. Yours will be the right size. You can see a nice amount of that DSP coming through. This one, I think I'm actually going to stamp enjoy the sweeter things in life in this one as well. Just because, why not? I feel like it looks a bit naked inside. Right, so now we've done that, we now need to create our grapefruit slash blood oranges. So let's just trim this off. Now, is that wide enough for my stamp now? No, typical. Typical, typical. I've got another piece here, we're all right. That's wider. Right, so for this, we're going to do the outline in Calypso Coral, which is a sort of pinky, reddy orange. Always make sure to clean your stamps between changing your colours, or you'll just end up with a lot of muckiness. And then the inside is going to be with sweet sorbet. There we go. So that looks lovely. Now let's cut those out. Save these pieces of white card because they'll do for a nice sentiment. There we go. Fold that over and now let's cut that out. Favourite bit of using this die is popping them out afterwards. It's quite satisfying. Right, so now let's bring our card back in and let's put these on. My desk officially looks like a bomb site, but hey, it's all good fun. That's it, we've got our sentiment along the bottom. Just going to put another one under there. That's it. And then the last thing we've got is our leaf, or leaves, which I've already pre-stamped and pre-cut. And there we have card number 4 all finished. Thanks for watching, everybody. Pop any comments in below and I will see you all over on the final card, card number 5. Bye for now.